urbanized cities and independent component cities shall be placed under modified general community quarantine or MGCQ until June 30, 2020. For Luzon, Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR, which includes Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, Mountain Province, and Baguio City. For Region 1, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, and Dagupan City. Batanes, Region 3, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Zambales, Angeles City, Lucena City. Region 4B, Marinduque, Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, Palawan, Puerto Princesa City, and Region 5, Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Legazpi City, and Naga City. For Visayas, Region 6, Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, Negros Occidental, Iloilo City, Bacolod City, and Region 8, Iliran, Eastern Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Western Samar, Southern Leyte, Ormoc City, and Tacloban. Now, Region Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Isabela City. For Region 10, we have Bukidnon, Camiguin, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, we have Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, del Sur, Davao Occidental, and Davao Oriental. Region 12, we have North Cotabato, Sarangani, Darat, Jato City. Region Raga, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Island, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, Butuan City, and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, which includes Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Cotabato City. The following highly urbanized cities, independent component cities shall be placed under general quarantine or GCQ until June 30, 2020. We have Region 2, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, and Santiago City. Region 3, Bataan, Bulacan, Tarlac, Olongapo City. Region 4A, we have Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon, and Mindoro. For Visayas, we have Region 7, Bohol, Cebu, Negros Oriental, Siquijor, Mandaue City, Lapu-Lapu City. For Mindanao, we have Zamboanga City, Davao City. All cities of the National Capital Region, NCR, and the Municipality of Pateros shall be placed under GCQ until 30 June 2020. The NCR Regional Task Force, RTF, is hereby directed to monitor health system capacity and utilization rates across health facilities and ensure strict compliance to surveillance, isolation, treatment, and minimum health system standards. Due to the increasing number of new cases and widespread community transmission in majority of barangays in the city, as well as the consistent case doubling time of less than 7 days and significant increase in critical care utilization against critical care capacity, Cebu City shall be placed under enhanced community quarantine. This is the recommendation, Mr. President, for Cebu City to be escalated back to ECQ. For the same reasons, Talisay City, a component city under the province of Cebu, shall be placed under modified enhanced community quarantine or MECQ until June 30, 2020. All provinces, highly urbanized cities, and independent component cities are directed to observe the strict enforcement of the following measures. Minimum public health standards, especially uniform implementation in high-risk areas, such as healthcare settings, wet markets, supermarkets, government and workplaces, among others. Localized community quarantine in priority critical areas with community transmission with concurrence of the RIATF. Immediate facility-based isolation of all returning citizens, suspect, and probable cases. Scaling up of local health system capacity, especially for community isolation and critical care, including dedicated mechanical ventilators, ICU, isolation and ward beds for COVID-19 cases.